Have you ever wanted to type in all caps on your iPhone, but the keyboard keeps switching back to lowercase after just one capital letter? The solution is simple. You just need to enable the caps lock feature. In this short video, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting for caps lock on your iPhone keyboard and how to turn it on in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials I post. So first, on your iPhone's home screen, find the Settings app and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit, find the General section and tap on it. Next, when you're in the General section, scroll down and look for Keyboard. Tap on it. On the Keyboard Settings page, you'll see a bunch of different options. Find the one called Enable Caps Lock. Then, simply tap the switch next to it to turn it on. Once you've enabled Caps Lock, let's test how it works. Open any app where you can type. I'll open the Notes app. To activate Caps Lock while typing, quickly double-tap the Shift key. You'll notice the arrow becomes highlighted. That means Caps Lock is enabled, and you'll be typing in all capital letters until you tap the Shift key again to turn it off. And that's it for this quick video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.